Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable your mobile accessibility. If you don't know what is it, so I'm gonna explain you what is it to make your phone experience little better. So I'm gonna show you how to enable. Go to settings. After that settings, you can see over here shortcuts. You can click over here, and after that accessibility, and you can see the first option, select to speak. Go and turn on this. Click aloud. Got it. And as you can see, the small icon come over here, and once again you have to go to manage over here, and you have to turn this shortcut on. Got it. After that, if you click over here and if you will select this option, it will automatically speak like settings. If you want to go and read an article you don't want to read, it will automatically read for you. So guys, in this video it was only this, how to enable this option on. So guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and also do like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Till then, see you in the next video. Peace out. Bye friends.